in this beautiful night. First of all, I would like to admire to all my elders, especially Kaipeng, Samaj, Rai, and all the dignitaries who are being here today, and my loves to all my brother and sister, youngers, elders, wishing you a very happy New Year 2023 to each and everyone. Today, I don't want to talk more because today's night is very special for me and very historic for me, and also very panic day for us, all the Tripurasas. One of the historic incidents in the same day took place in 2019. I hope you all knows when our Tripurasa student organization protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Now it's converted into the act. Before converted into act, in all over the northeast region and in entire states of our Tripura, we all are protest against CAA. And today, in the same day, Tripura State Rifles, very unfortunately, fire with their gun, and 5 students was casualties, and they admitted in hospital, also referred in outside the states. Very luckily, today they are alive. So that's why this is very panic for us and very historic day for us and very special night for us, because Young Kaipeng Association is always special for me. Last time when I visit that near Rangkhalpara during Durga Puja, right, Mr. President, YKF President, he called me and invited me to attend in that event, that sports event. It was that much I feel interest on that event, because in all over the states, most of the Tripurasas, they never think what is going on with them and what will be happen in future, and they always follow others' culture, others' traditions, Western culture, especially when the dressing up also. We never interest on our own attires. We always copy others' attires, right? So in that period, during that particular time, most of the young youths are very busy on roaming here and there. From Ompi, from Toidu, so many youths, students, they migrate for 7 days to see, to watch to enjoy to celebrate the Durga Puja from his village to Agartala city, Teleamar city, in enter the corner of state. But in that particular time, I saw only the YKA organized the sports event to protect the own students, children, and youths. I really appreciate them. I really belai belakan khulumu. This is one of the great steps to protect our youths, to protect our young generations from the spoil. That's why I really thankful to YKA for such type of taking the historic steps, and I hope in future YKA will lead the entire Tripura. Because Buijotana Savo minorities, we all are minorities. Kaipeng also Halam, Molsom also Halam, Kalai also Halam. How we became minorities? If we, do you know one very powerful word is there in this world? One powerful word is there. That is what do you know? That is unity, Thansa, Munkha. And this Munkha, if we all Halam become Munkha, na, we can lead the not only the Tripura, the entire country. Unity is that much powerful, amosake powerful. Shara Bishono Pozanto, Lilagri Tonman. And do you know, most of the minorities are very special. How? I want to give one examples that one of the biggest company in the world in car manufacturing, that is Rolls-Royce. I think most of the youngsters, they know about the Rolls-Royce. What is that? One of the luxurious car in the world, right? Do you know why this Rolls-Royce always special and always luxurious? Rolls-Royce always luxurious because they never produce their car more than 100 copies. They always produce products, their cars or designs limited. But in this earth, there are 195 countries, more than 60 union territories, unrecognized countries. If I compare with that numbers, is it equivalent? Is it parallel? No. 195 desh tongo that is recognized. Abono karibu 60-70 countries tongo desh tongo abo unrecognized. তার মানে অ্যারাউন্ড 250 থেকে 300 এগানা গানা অমুসুক দেশ গোবাঙ্গ সারা বিশ্বসি রোলস রয়েস কোম্পানি তাম খায় only 100 piece they produce car, only 100 টা গাড়ি বরক manufacturing খায়. That's why Rolls Royce always luxurious. That's why Rolls Royce is very special and very luxurious company in the world. Haino, Chini, Kaipeng, Kalai, those who are telling us minorities, we also very luxurious, we also very special in the world. Because We have a qualities. We can lead the Samas, we can lead the countries, we can lead the states. And that qualities we already have. My dear friends, Chung kun somay phano kechen gosena ni kogya. Never feel narrow, never feel small, cheap. We should feel always strong. We should feel always big, like Himalayas. Borok chikon phano chini bukham su kotor na nai. So we can